Hello, what's up guys? How are you everyone? I hope everyone is well. Today I have one Mercedes-Benz S350L. Today I will show you how to remove this EIS system, electronic ignition switch. Because I need to remove, I have some work inside the EIS, that's why I need to remove. So today I will show you how to remove an easy way, okay? So you can see here, first of all, under the steering you can see those 4 screw. First you need to remove. So 1 2 3 4. Then remove this cover, black cover. Then remove like this, unlock, and I remove OBD wire. And you can see inside one AC air pipe. See, need to remove this one also. Okay, finish. Then when I put light, you can see inside EIS. Okay, so you can remove here. Then remove this one, this round lock. You can see this is this lock system like this. Okay, then press inside EIS and it's coming under the steering. You can see here, remove. Great success.